Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and we are going to be doing this like orange, smoky, grungy type of look. Leave a comment down below letting me know what videos you'd like to see in the future. Let me know whether you like this look, any techniques or anything that you feel like I'm doing wrong. Leave them in the comments. I would love to learn. That's in the beginning of my channel. I said I would like to grow and learn as a makeup artist. You know, this is kind of my journey and my experience being a mom and everything all in one. So you guys helping me out and teaching me stuff doesn't bother me. If you guys want to be like, hey, try this or do that, I am totally down to give it a try. It may take me a little bit longer to get to it, but I definitely will try it. And before this video gets any longer, I just want to give a big shout out to Miss Bennett and Little Makeup Channel, Jennifer Metcalf, and sorry, I'm getting choked up, and Rebecca Martin for commenting on my last video. I'm not sure who was first, just because they all kind of came in at once, and I know it says the time, but I'm not looking at my phone right now, so thank you. And in the future, if I have any uploads that aren't exactly on time or mess up, just know I'm trying. My internet's been messing up, and you know, sometimes it just, I'm down to like the last 15 minutes trying to upload a video. So thank you guys so much for your support. I so greatly appreciate it. You have no idea how much it means to me. And let's just get right into the video. So. that's the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know what kind of video you'd like to see next, whether it's cooking, cleaning, parenting. I do have a 2-year-old that's about to be 3 in September, and an 11th month old. So, you know, my kids are still kind of young, but I feel like I semi have the hang of this thing down. So if you'd like to have a video on like what it's like to be a parent of 2, what it's like to be a stay-at-home mom, just a question and answer, let me know. I can do that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.